Namaste. Today we will discuss my January coloring plans. So I have identified, of course, the 10 books that I want to finish, but in addition to those, also I want to try and color and complete as many whips as possible. I have just way too many whips, I think so, at this point of time. I also have a lot of pages which I had tagged at some point or the other in 2021, thinking I will want to finish them because they were part of either some scavenger hunt or some self challenge or something like that. So instead of looking for something more, I think I need to get down to those. So I do, of course, have those 10 books to finish. Plus, in addition to that, I do have the whips. Plus, in addition to that, I do have the pages which I had already tagged and not finished. So let's go through those pages and I will show you what I'm planning to do. So I do have this one whip which is supposed to be done by Derwent Pastels, and I need to finish it so that I can spray it with a fixative and get it done with. I do also have this page which I had tagged and I had decided on coloring this, but for some reason I didn't get down to it, so maybe I can finish this, at least these two pages from this book. Then the ever favorite whip. I really, I don't want to force myself because I know what happened when I forced myself to finish another page in this book. But it is, of course, a work in progress from a very long time, and I think it deserves some attention. So I'll try and color at least a little bit part of it. I really doubt if I'll be able to finish this whole page. It's way too big and way too many details, but I'll try to do at least some progress on this one. In this book, this is one of my 10 books to finish, but in addition to that, I had promised in one of my videos, I forgot which video, but I had promised in one of my videos that the next spiroglyphic that I do, I will try to do it with multiple colors. So for this one, I have decided that I'll take the first step towards multiple coloring, and that is I'm going to do this in two colors. So what I've done is I have divided this page in two, and I'm planning to do this side in one color and this side in one color. And for the first time I'm doing a spiroglyphic with dual metallics. So I'm not really sure how it will look at the end of it, um, because I think this is a face, if I'm not wrong, um, and I think it's the cover one. I actually did not check which one it was. Yeah, it is Harry Potter. So before selecting the page, I did not really check what it was. I just went to the first page which was available. So I'm not sure how a face will look with two colors, half half, but since I have already started working on it, that's what I will do. And if it looks good, good. If it doesn't, well, I tried something different is what I will think. Then I have already started working on a page here, and believe it or not, this one was pending since the Olympic scavenger hunt. So this was one of the books that were for the prompt auto buy, and I had said that John Wick is one of my auto buy artists, and I had decided to color a page for that prompt, and it was just pending from too long. It's very little is left, so I'm hoping that within a day or two I should be able to finish this. Let's see how that one goes. Then I have this book by David Hinkin Jr., volume 14, from his, I think he has 16 volumes, and I think I have all of them. So I had, again, this was from the Olympic scavenger hunt, and this was also one of the authors that I had identified as an auto buy, and I had tagged this page thinking that I will do this. So let's see when I can get down to this one. And I do have here By the Sea. I have one buddy color pending in this one, which I was supposed to do with Amanda from Amanda's Joy of Coloring, and she's already finished hers and I have not even started from on mine. So I'm so embarrassed about that, and I'm very, very sorry, Amanda, but thanks for having the patience. She's so kind. Then from this book I do have one WIP and one pending. So the WIP is this one, and I'm doing it with pencils, so it is going to take a little long to finish than like if I would have used markers it would have been probably much faster, but I'm enjoying doing it in pencil, so I will complete it with pencils. And there is a page which I had marked oh sorry, I don't think it is this one. Yeah, it's this one. So this one I had marked as a part of my holiday wish prompt, which was hosted by Johanna. So this one is still pending from that one, so I'll try and finish that. Then I have a WIP here which I had started for my own color along India coloring in November, imagine. I've not yet finished, but I'm hoping I'll try and finish as much as possible and hope to complete it within January, since I have the whole month to go ahead with it. Let's see how this one progresses. Then I have a WIP in this also from quite some time, and I have not yet done this. I was trying to use all my Sakura Jelly Roll pens in this one, and I just left it halfway, and now I don't know where I even kept those pens. So my journey is going to be like starting from searching for those pens now. So let's hope I can find those pens and I can finish this. I do have a WIP in this one, and I have finished only part of it, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to finish this within the month. So let's see. Then I have a page which has been tagged in this one from quite some time. This was a summer edition scavenger hunt where I had to search for a page with cactus. So I had identified this page, but I never got down to coloring it. So hopefully I should be able to do that one. This one, I think this was a part of my holiday wish scavenger hunt by Johanna, and I think I was supposed to select a page for harvest, and I had selected this page for that. So let's see if I can finish that one. Then from the same holiday wish scavenger hunt, there was family dinner and there was friends and families or something like that. So there were two prompts which I had identified. So there was this one and this one. So these two pages I had identified for coloring, and I have not yet got down to it. Then from the same holiday wish scavenger hunt, there was, I think, sweets or desserts, something like that. So this was the page that I had identified for that. I have not yet got down to coloring this. So let's see. Then this Rose Window is actually my second copy. My first copy of Rose Window, I have already finished the whole book, and the completed book flip through is there on my channel, and I would highly recommend you to see that. I think I have done a good job on that. And now I'm going to see how different can I do 1 year later on this book. So let's see. Also, this was a page which I had tagged because I had selected this book as my 10 favorite books in the Olympic scavenger hunt prompt for 10 favorite books. So I have yet to get down to this one. There's a page in here that I had identified for a holiday wish scavenger hunt, and the prompt was palm trees, and I had selected this page, and I never got down to coloring it. So I hope I can finish that one. Then this was a part of my Olympic scavenger hunt, 10 favorite books. I remember that, and I had tagged one page to color from here, and I never got down to it. So let's hope I'm able to do that. Then here there is a page which I had tagged again uh, for the Olympic scavenger hunt, and this page I had tagged because this is the book which I had identified for the prompt, the book that got you into adult coloring. And since this was the first book that I had ever purchased for myself, I had decided to color a page in this one, so I'll try and color this page. Then I have two whips in this one, and these are really taking very long, but I enjoy the process of doing it as and when I find the time. And I'm taking my time with it, but I hope I can try and finish it at least within Jan. Let's see, this one and this one. This one I have really made a lot of progress. Actually, there's not much left in both the pages, but let's see. I'll try my best to finish those. And of course, this is one of my 10 books to finish. So I have already identified the page that I want to do from this. Actually, since I want to finish this whole book, I could have just gone in, like, uh, sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. But I felt like I wanted to do something in green, and then I cheated a little and I checked the pages that are there, and I found the page which is supposed to be the turtle, and I think the turtle will look better if I do it in green. So that is why I have selected the turtle page, and I hope that I will be able to do that in January. So these are the books that I have identified offhand. Of course, I will also continue to work on the other books which are part of my 10 books to finish. And let me see if I can also do some other tags and other body colors along with that. So very high hopes from myself, if I should say so. But a lot of these are whips, so I'm hoping that I should be able to color them and finish them off, because most of it is already done. There are very few pages here which I have to like start from scratch, so hopefully it's a achievable target. Thanks for having stopped by, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have not yet subscribed, then please do so, and have a nice day. Bye.